Hi everyone, I am Odam Cosmos. Today I'll be showing you how to delete a WordPress from your website. I'll be showing you how to delete a WordPress from your website. After watching this video, you'll be able to delete a WordPress from your website. But before we start, please kindly like and subscribe to my channel so you get notification when I post a new video. Now this is our website, which is websiteschool.xyz. Now I want to delete this WordPress we've installed. All we need to do, let me visit my backend so you see it. All we need to do, you see this is a WordPress website. All you need to do is to visit your cPanel, and in the cPanel you scroll down to the Softaculous app installer section. You scroll down to your Softaculous app installer section. Here you see a WordPress. Click on the WordPress. After clicking on the WordPress, you scroll down. You see we have various domain. This is my primary domain, which is sarcosmosworld.com, and my cPanel, which was my WordPress root that has been installed in it. Now, the other domain I have is the website school.xyz, and also WordPress installed, and I'd like to delete the WordPress from this website. All I need to do is to tap on this button which says remove. After clicking on this, scroll down, it says remove installation. Click on this. You see this section is irreversible. Are you sure you want to remove it? Click OK, and now the installation was removed successfully. So that's how you can remove a WordPress from, you can delete your WordPress from your website. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get notification when I post a new video. Thank you for your time.